Hey guys, Jason Roberts here with REI Blueprint again. I just want to ask you a quick question and see if you watched that case study with Matt and Dee from Kansas City on some of the flips that they just finished up. I posted 2 of them a couple of days ago, and I want to point out a couple quick things. And one is that they didn't use any of their own money or any of their own credit or anything else. They were able to use other people's money, which we're going to show you at our event next week. Get registered, get signed up. We're going to cover everything that you need to know and how to flip houses, whether you've ever done it before or not. They made about 40 grand on each one of those net after they were done, and they just finished those up within the last couple of months. And they've actually got 3 or 4 properties that they're working on in KC and Independence and some surrounding areas right now that we're going to actually walk through at the events and show you properties in your backyard that are getting flipped right now, how they got them, how they put the money together, how they did the rehab, and how they made some incredible money on 4 or 5 different deals within the last 30 to 60 days that I think will really show you guys step by step through our proprietary way of flipping houses and making money, how exactly you can do this, whether you have any experience or money or credit or any of those things. So get registered below, guys. This is near and dear to our heart. This has changed our lives in a big way. It's changed their lives in a big way. And I want to show you how that you can do the same thing, whether you're working a full-time job, whether you have other distractions going on. This is something that can be really real for you. But again, you're never going to get to know if you don't come. So you owe it to yourself. Spend 90 minutes of your time with us and come out and see how this works. Get registered below before it fills up. And I look forward to meeting you guys. Come up and say hi to me. Say hi to Matt and Dee. Say hi to my partner, Rachel. And we'll show you exactly how we've built our business, how a lot of our students have built their real estate investing business, and more importantly, how you can do the same. Look forward to meeting you guys, and I will see you in a week. Take care.